one spot here, I got a bunch of voids in it, so I'm going to go ahead and mix up a little mud and smear one more coat on that, and then that'll finish it up for the body work on this. Get it ready to prime up. It's just mud, man. Mix it up and put it on smooth, so smooth you don't hardly have to sand it. The colder the temperature is, the more hardener you'll want. Normally in the summer I'd have used about half of that hardener and the mud will be hardened real quick. But being it's a little chilly, a little moist in the air, so a little more hardener for this kind of weather. You know, here we are in the middle of Florida. In winter. Main thing with mixing mud up is you want to get it good and mixed up. You don't want anything that's not mixed thoroughly, because then it'll crack or won't dry and make it hard to sand.